Hi there. I'm Kathleen Horne from Expressive Arts Florida Institute, and I want to tell you about a new version of the Art as a Healing Practice workshop series that we're getting ready to release on January 1st. And I'm really excited and quite proud of this series as it is the most complete version of Art as a Healing Practice that I have created to date. And I'm busy preparing all the videos and the lessons and the demos and resources and everything for you. It will be a complete session by session, all of the 9 themes of Art as a Healing Practice, and it will be delivered in a way that you can work through the whole program on your own. And 4 times in the upcoming year, we will have a Zoom call. So anyone who wants to share and be witnessed and ask questions and join into a sense of community will be welcome to do that as well. So we're putting together all the details now, and more will be coming soon, but I just want to pop in here and tell you about it so that you can watch for it. Thanks so much.